Welcome, my name is Sonia. Thank you for checking in. This is the Scorpio energy reading. Let's get started right away. Scorpio, let's see what you need to know today. What's going on within you, within your person, within your connection. So we have the King of Wands, Victory, Queen of Swords, Five of Cups, Queen of Cups, and Bliss. So what I'm getting here is that it's all very well that you want this bliss, that you want your person to come towards you and to show everyone that you have this deep connection. But that's you and your thoughts, which is ego, about what you want your person to release and leave behind for you without you taking any action, without you understanding that there's things that you need to release. Your person is wanting to come towards you, but is in this avoidance and unsure, confusion about where he wants to go, what actions he wants to take. Because you're not doing anything for yourself. You're not taking action into understanding who you are, into understanding that there's situations around you that's giving you deception and you're not even aware of. Because you're too self-centered into what you want for your person to show you in the physical. But your emotions and the feeling frequency that you hold within is different, is what your person is actually showing you in the physicality, in the physical, by not coming towards you. And by not having communication, and by not being emotionally expressing his true wants and desires, but blanking you, ghosting you. And this is what you're thinking of. This is what you want to see before you stepping into your truth, which you are doing the things the wrong way. This connection is about you trusting by following your knowing of the connection, by also understanding the negative situations and feeling frequencies that you've learned to suppress, that you're not facing in the moment. which is keeping your person away from you and you not knowing what's going on, but wishing and hoping for your person to show up and to move forward into this happiness, this bliss. Your connection is about you learning to fulfill your own wants and desires, and also looking into those third-party situations that you need to start releasing, situations that are stopping you from recognizing and moving forward into your truth. Once you uncover the truth of this, then your person will show up emotionally and passionately towards you, by your person also gaining this clarity of his own foundation. But it's up to you, without you standing up into your truth and going into your emotions, those triggers, and transmuting by having understanding and learning to forgive and release, by transmuting the negative into a positive. Your connection, your person will not move forward towards you. And this is a fact. You want your person occasionally, or you want your person for a lifetime, as these two old couple are here. That's the question that you need to ask. But for you to have this, you need to learn to transmute and to release all that negative that your person is shining the light on, by triggering you, by not giving you what you want from your person, but to help you recognize that you're here to fulfill your own cups, to become a free sovereign being, as a childlike self that you once were, and that you will come to be again with you, by you working into your inner work and reparenting your inner child and stepping into mission, so that you can teach this to others in how to find their path, their truth. So now let's see what the aliens have to say. Okay, heart, which is the sun, love, forgiveness, compassion, healing, what's good for you. That's all of the things that are being affected in this time by you not taking action into what you need to release. All of these rooted beliefs are pulling onto you and stopping you from recognizing your own passion, your own truth that your heart holds within you. Okay, once you stop focusing on the physicality of things, then you will be able to release yourself from these rooted beliefs. People pleasing, do you struggle to say no? Get to the root issue. Sex mastery program and root chakra Kundalini exercise and TWINFLAME programs. So the sex mastery program is about you understanding how you feel uncomfortable in situations, and that abuse that you've experienced, sexual abuse, any physical abuse that you've experienced, is stopping you and keeping you stuck in following these beliefs, following beliefs that are not of your own, and giving you this uncomfortable body feeling. The Kundalini exercise unblocks your chakras. If you do this once or twice a day, every day, it will help you uncover and tap into those situations that you need to face, by gaining understanding and really tapping into your emotions and find the root cause of these situations. So the Kundalini helps unblock those chakras. It shows up in the physicality by having a dark night of the soul, But by you going into the shadow work, which is the inner work, and reparenting that inner child, you will be able to release yourself from all of these people and situations that are holding you back and stopping you from stepping into mission. Right, let's see what your person is thinking and feeling. I struggle to open up. This is you not allowing yourself to do the inner work and reparent your inner child. I hurt you because it was easier than to tell you the truth. Children and family issues are a factor. I now know how much I need you in my life. Okay, you both know how much you need each other, but without you finding that fulfillment within the self independently, things will not move forward in your connection. So thank you for checking in. I hope this reading served you well. Please check out everyone in my subscription list, and see you next time.